Welcome to Barcode Library. Here we'll show you how to use our software to generate all kinds of 1D and 2D barcodes. Hi, here we will demonstrate how to generate, customize, print code 128 barcode images using BarcodeLib C Barcode Generator library. In the opened C# console project in the Visual Studio 2022, I have installed BarcodeLib Code 128 Barcode Generation Library NuGet package. So let's go to the program CS file. Let me walk you through what I've been doing with Code 128 barcodes. This library gives you so many options, and I wanted to test out a few different variations. First things first, I create a linear barcode object and set it to code 128. That's the standard version that automatically picks the most efficient character set. I give it the data code 128 and generate my first barcode image. Super straightforward. But code 128 actually has different character sets. So next I switch the type to code 128A, which focuses on digits, uppercase letters, and control characters. I change the data to code 128 in all caps and generate another image. This shows how the same text can be encoded differently depending on which set you use. Then I go back to the standard code 128 type, but play around with image dimensions. I set the width to 350 pixels and height to 200 pixels, giving me a much larger, more readable barcode. Same data, bigger canvas. Finally, I wanted to see what happens when you rotate the barcode. I set rotate to rotate orientation, bottom facing left, which flips it on its side. This is super handy when you're working with limited label space and need the barcode to fit vertically. Now let's run the console application in Visual Studio 2020. So let's view the generated barcode images. The first generated barcode image was created with barcode type code 128 and all default settings for image size, rotation, and character set selection. The second generated barcode image was created with barcode type code 128A, data code 128 in uppercase, using the code set A variant, which optimizes for digits and uppercase letters. The third generated barcode image was created with barcode type code 128 and custom image dimensions of 350 pixels width by 200 pixels height. The fourth generated barcode image was created with barcode type code 128 and a rotation orientation of bottom facing left, which rotates the barcode 90 degrees counterclockwise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow Barcode Library for more barcode tutorials.